guys, how's it going? Welcome back. So, got a package in the mail today. A lot of you will remember a few months back, a company came to me to test out some radio gear. I've actually got it on the table over here, and these are Samcom radios from a company called Sancon. Anyways, so it had turned out in the end result that after talking to Industry Canada, I had asked them about these radios out of curiosity, because my original question was about the ball fang radios, you know, the ham radios, and I just for giggles I asked, you know, can you check, on these things for me? And it turned out that they weren't Industry Canada certified, which kind of does suck for us Canadians. Anyway, so after talking with the company that sent me the radios, turns out I was sent the US versions, not the Canadian version. And so they've resent me the Canadian versions here, and figured, well, let's check these things out. We will be doing range testing as well, on these units. Now, you will find that by the time this video is uploaded, don't bother going to look after the other videos, because I'm going to delete them from my channel. There's no point in having them up there, because I also had done a video stating the fact that, don't buy these if you're a Canadian, etc. But these ones here are supposed to be the Canadian version, and they said they were sending paperwork along with them for that. So we'll have to dig into this. Oh, I think I need a better knife, but we'll make do. Have to sharpen this sucker. So let's see what all we got in here. Cool, lots of packing. Holy paperwork. Wow, they weren't joking around, were they? Okay. So, looks like that's the end of what's in the box. Should be a programmer's cable in one of these boxes, because they said they were going to send me a programmer cable, because I need to compare these ones against the original ones. But we have a SAR test report here. Okay, I will have to definitely be going over this. GMRS, channel spacing, frequency range 462 to 5625, 462 to 7250, GMRS at 25 kilohertz. Now, generally these units, they have a multi-use to them. You can use them for in your house for communications, which is the nice part about the walkie-talkie part, and also construction sites, whatever. I mean, there's multitudes out hiking, that sort of thing. And they are 2-watt radios, which is fine, especially when you're on GMRS frequencies, because we are allowed up to 2 watts in Canada for GMRS channeling. Okay, so there's going to be a lot of stuff here I'm going to have to go through. Because the big thing here was, being certified for Canada for Industry Canada standards, etc. So there's just one report. What's this one here? Power supply information. Okay. Labeling. Industry Canada certification numbers. That's what we've got to look for, and they give us the location for that as well. Okay, I'm going to keep that aside for a minute. Main radio test report. Wow, I got some reading to do, guys. Certification number. Here we go. Yeah, Industry Canada certification number. Tells us everything on here that we need to know. Alright, let's crack the boxes. Ah, and there is my programming cable. And I already have the software. So we've got our headset. And we've got a USB power supply, antenna, charger unit, main radio, cable for the USB. Okay, so they didn't send me a new base unit. This is the base unit here. So we'll figure that one out later. That's okay. The main radios is the big concern here anyhow. But they do have it with base units. There's a lot of different combinations you can buy these as. Alright. Industry Canada sticker on the back. That's what we wanted to see. So I'm going to give you a close-up of this one in the camera. That's the white sticker there for Industry Canada. And we've got our FCC stuff as well. It's all there. Okay. Now, let's grab one of my other units in comparison here. Yep, no Industry Canada sticker on this one at all. So, I'll give you both of them up close. So this is the unit that they just sent me. And that is the original one on my right with the belt clip still on it. So these are Industry Canada certified, this set. So that's good. It's good to know. One of these is the cold battery. Yeah, that one. And we'll check this one out as well. Same dealie, no sticker on this one. Alright, now let's get the other one cracked open here. Now I'm going to be comparing frequencies too against the base station as well, which is another thing. Because I have no way of reprogramming the base station, but I will be able to reprogram the main handhelds. So another headset, battery clip, USB cable and power supply. It's kind of, I don't know. These things aren't USB, but unless they got a new kind of a, no? Oh, that's why. These are USB chargeable. These use the USB chargers. That's cool. So that's a little different because I got regular wall plug chargers that came with the first set. These are USB chargeable radios. So if you have these in your car and you've got a USB power adapter, you can just put that in your car, plug in your USB cable to your adapter, and away you go, or use the household. That works. That's awesome. And of course our antenna, user manual. And again, we have a sticker on this unit as well. It's IC certified for Canada. So there we go. So there's our units. These are the legit ones for Canada. That's awesome. So, how much of a charge is in these suckers? Oh, not much. We're going to have to charge these puppies up. So I will do that. I will charge these. and we're going to do some testing. And the other thing I want to test is a different antenna. I have some 10-watt high gain antennas that are the same frequency range as these, and we're going to test them for changing over to a different antenna as well. So see if that actually helps with extra range or dead spots, that sort of thing. Interesting. Warnings and everything. Same general features. Alright, so it looks like operation is going to be exactly the same, so there were no changes there. So the changes are being the fact that they were certified for Canada. So that was the big thing. So what have we got here? Okay. Alright, so we definitely know there's a difference between these original ones and the new ones. These are the Canadian ones. So if you're going to want to get into these kind of radios, whether it's around the house, the farm, construction, in the office, whatever, buy them from Amazon.ca for the Canadian version radios. Okay, if you're in the States, you buy, or somewhere else other than Canada, buy from Amazon.com. Okay, that's going to be where the difference is going to be. But like I said, those videos are going to get deleted. This was a mix-up that happened. Stuff can happen. I mean, you know, it just does, you know. And so I'm glad that Sancon was able to straighten this out. But like I said, we're still going to do some testing anyways. And I want to compare frequencies between these Canadian certified ones and these to see what the differences are between them. And then, of course, we'll all know. So stay tuned for that video. There's going to be a few videos on these, alright? But so far, we've got definitely some Canadian version stuff. We've got all the paperwork that we require. You know, they said they would send all this for me for reference to know that these are fully legit for Canada without any hassles. And that's good. So I'm glad they sent all that. So... and I know they're watching this, so thank you very much, guys, for this. That's really helpful. It's awesome. And stay tuned for more testing. And there's going to be a review on these, of course, too, because we're going to kind of like redo stuff here, right? And we're going to... I'll do a new review on the U.S. ones for people who are looking for these in the U.S., just so that they know the differences. And on that video too, it'll also point Canadians towards Amazon.ca only for the Canadian versions for Canada. Kind of like what I'm going to do with this too, so it's going to be kind of like a double hitter in a sense. Kind of weird to do it, but yeah, that's how we're going to do it. And hopefully everything's good. And like I said, once these are charged up, we'll do some testing probably later today or tomorrow. You know, you'll see the video when it comes up. Just give me a day or two to get all this stuff sorted and done, and we'll have all the videos up for you guys. But in the meantime, we've got this and we're ready to rock. So thanks for watching. Thanks again, Sancon, for being able to resend these and getting me the actual Canadian versions. I guess some mix-up happened, it happened, right? And so we're going to continue on. And I've got some reading to do, obviously, as well. I want to go through all that literature and be able to help you guys out, too, at the same time of what I've read from all these reports and stuff. And we'll go from there. So thanks for watching, and we will definitely catch you guys on the next video. See ya.